With the milling head down, you can't turn the spindles won't turn on. You got to call up the turning tool.
Okay, well,
I don't know. I'm do it.
okay. There we go. Beautiful.
Want me to slow it down a little?
Sure.
There you go.
That way you can take it and run it back up, like maybe to 1,000.
700.
1,100. That's 1,100 RPM.
1130 to be exact.
Fine.
Oh. Yeah, no pieces of paper. It really moved in. Okay, we're good. Okay. Now, let the spindle, get the spindle running first. Okay.
Don't forget to sign a release, dude.
What?
That's it, don't forget to sign a release.
Release.
Okay, there's the main. Now go ahead and turn that off and then start the sub again, because I had to delete that.
Yeah.
Okay, you can stop that. And now just do a tool change.
Oh, you don't? Tool change?
Yeah.
Okay, might as well call up the next tool I'm going to use.
Okay.
What about the tool live?
Yeah, you could operate that. Sure. You want to make it come down and go back up?
Yeah.
Just the arm.
Just
To show that the arm works. Back up. If you touch that, it'll beep, right?
yeah. You want me to do that?
Yep.
I can do that.
I have to squeeze by.
Just one, you don't, just on this, okay? Do you want both extra?
No, one's fine.
Huh?
One's fine.
Okay, that's good.